Thanks, Benny. All right. Deck. Trucks. Where's the drill? There it is. Okay, Benny. Phillips head. Screws. Cheetos. Spray paint. Huh? What? That's not right. Sweet. Much better. And Finny. One beautifully assembled skateboard. Oh no! Nuts.
Hi, we're Benny and Legend. Want to build with us? Today we're going to learn about skateboards because we love skateboarding. We love skateboarding.
So we're going to show you how we made our own skateboards in our own tiny workshop. Sweet. Nice move, dude.
First, while we gather all our tools, Legend is going to tell us about where skateboards came from.
Thanks, Benny. All right. People have been skateboarding for over 70 years. That's a lot of wheel time. The skateboard was invented in sunny California when people took their roller skate wheels and attached them to a board. Pretty cool, huh? Such smart thinking. The first skateboarders would ride their homemade boards on the streets and in big empty swimming pools. Their moves were similar to how surfers would move, but without the water. You should always wear a helmet when you're skating so you can protect your noggin.
Wow, that's super cool, Legend. Let's make our own boards so we can try out some new tricks at the park.
Let's do it!
First, you start with a wooden board called a deck. We customized ours with spray paint.
This is Benny's.
And this is Legend's deck. Aren't they so cool?
I had a little trouble at first making mine. Huh? What? That's not right. But then I tried again, and it totally worked. Sweet.
Now we're going to add our grip tape. We put this on the top where our feet go. I don't think I'd be able to stay on the board without it. It kind of feels like sandpaper, and it's very rough to touch, but it's super important to give you a nice grip on the board. Once my grip tape is on, I grab my screwdriver to mark up the edges of the board.
But you can also use a file like I did.
Now grab your cutter and trim off the parts you don't need. You can throw these pieces away or make them into a funky art project. The choice is yours.
This can take a while, so if you need to grab a snack and have a break, go right ahead. Cheetos.
But don't forget that H2O. Gotta stay hydrated in the shop. All right, feeling good.
It's time to add the hardware. First, we add the nuts and bolts. Then go on the trucks. Trucks. We'll screw all the nuts tightly together using our screw gun. If only I could find it. Where's the drill? Ah, there it is.
When we're finished with the hardware, we'll add the wheels to the trucks. On they go. We'll be four-wheeling down the street in no time.
Wow, that's it. We did it. We made our own skateboards. And Finny. One beautifully assembled skateboard.
Man. Well, you know what Legend always says.
Practice makes progress.
It totally does. Nice. Our skateboard is done.
Yep. And I think they look pretty good. Now that our project's complete, let's pack up all our gear.
Joke time will be clean time. Why did the skateboard go to the movie? Because it was really bored.
You really got me on that one. Hilarious, dude.
Okay, it's time for the show. Let's watch together. Okay, see you next time for another Benny's Mini World Tiny Workshop project. Don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.